In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin panel to a website created by Lovable. First, we'll start with what makes your admin panel tick, the elements. You want Lovable to generate these elements efficiently, so it's essential to use clear, detailed prompts. Think of it as having a conversation with the platform. When you describe how you want your admin panel to look and function, be specific. For instance, asking for an admin dashboard with a navigation menu for users, content, and settings is a great start. Once Lovable creates these elements, take the time to review them. This is your chance to tweak, refine, and add any other features you think are necessary to fit your vision. And remember, if something needs a little manual love, Lovable's interface offers flexibility to make those nuanced adjustments. Now let's get those elements working with your data. Connecting your admin panel to your backend database, like Supabase for example, is crucial for enabling dynamic interactions. You'll want to configure forms for inputs and tables for data display. Consider how buttons will function, whether they're saving, updating, or deleting data. Don't fret, Lovable's integrations are there to help you streamline this process, making it much more straightforward than it sounds. Moving on to securing your admin panel, and this is key. You don't want just anyone to access sensitive parts of your website. Implementing authentication and authorization keeps your panel safe. Begin by creating a login page. Think about implementing role-based access control in your backend service. Tools like Supabase's row-level security can help ensure that only those with the right permissions can access or modify important data. This step not only secures your project, but also gives you peace of mind. After all this setup, what's left is to test everything thoroughly. Try out each feature, button, and interaction to confirm everything works smoothly and your data flows correctly. It's all about catching any issues before they become real headaches later on. So take your time with testing. Finally, you'll want to deploy your Lovable project. Once you're fully satisfied that all functions are just right, make the admin panel accessible to your designated administrators. This step is the culmination of all your hard work, opening the door for administrators to manage the website efficiently. By keeping each of these steps in mind and paying attention to the small details, creating an effective admin panel with Lovable becomes a manageable task. Thanks for following along, and best of luck with your project.